Welcome back to the Home and Garden Show. When we have this show going on, we always think about spring. And one thing that we don't want to happen during the spring is all the snow melts and the water goes into our basements and our crawl spaces. So now is the time to get that inspected. So we're talking to Rob from Everdry. Rob, what makes Everdry so unique?
It's really the people that work for us that make us unique, but it's also a lot to do with the longevity, 28 years in business, and having the right system and giving the people what they're looking for, creating a good experience.
Yeah, you have several different options for waterproofing. Can you elaborate a little bit?
Yeah, we do interior work, exterior work. We do an easy breathe, a smart power backup system, several different methods to address any way that water can enter a foundation, walls, floor, or in the air.
Yeah, so what makes some of these systems so different and so unique?
Well, most companies out there do interior, exterior work. We do a combination of all of it, and then we back it with a lifetime warranty. Our inspection really is a lot more thorough than most companies. We do inspect the walls, we inspect the floor, inside and outside, but we also do a mold test free with our free inspections. We do a air quality check to make sure that the air is clean that you're breathing in your home. Basically address any way water can enter your foundation.
Yep.
And then we give you the options to make the choice from there.
Yeah, we're seeing some photos right now of some homes that you've actually worked on here in the West Michigan area. It starts small. You might not even realize that all of this water is coming into your home or your crawl space, but it can equate to big problems.
Yes, definitely. With 20% moisture, you can notice things such as dry rot, musty odor. That's an indication there's mold in the foundation. There's cracks. When you start noticing the cracks, that just means hydrostatic pressure is pushing on the walls. It's definitely a good idea to get it inspected early and save big money in the future.
Yeah, so, okay, talk to me about the crawl space, because that's a place that we usually don't go into in our home, but it can really add up to a big problem and a lot of money down the drain if you don't get to the root of the problem.
Absolutely. With a crawl space, usually they're pretty airtight, so moisture in the ground creates mold growth. Different microtoxins will come through. If water's coming in, it's already contaminated. And if it's in your crawl space, it's coming upstairs through your porous floors, vents, that kind of thing. So it's a good idea. We do encapsulation, seal it off completely, get rid of the moisture. Two ways to get rid of mold is ventilation and getting rid of the moisture. We do all of that with a lifetime warranty.
Yeah, and when you think about the space that you want to have in your basement, that's a space that is going to allow for your family to have a place to live in and a place to really have a place to grow and not worry about the contamination of rotted material and maybe moisture in the air and in their home as well.
Exactly. 100% of your home rests on its foundation. If you have the issues down there, it's coming upstairs, but you want to create a living space that's, for your kids' playroom, for a family room, rec room, theater room, anything. In order to do that, you have to get rid of the moisture and make sure that you have a sound foundation and you have clean, healthy living space.
Really, when it comes to the warranty, when you're getting something like this done, you go the extra mile and really take those additional steps to make sure that the customer has a fantastic opportunity with your warranty.
Exactly. With our systems, we lay out the options for homeowners. They choose it. All of our work carries a lifetime transferable warranty, so if they move or they leave it to their children, anything like that, it's a phone call away from changing it to the new owner. There's no cost to do that, and it is lifetime transferable.
The right company to work with. So what is your advice in looking for that right person?
Business Bureau. Look up the companies, check out their complaints, their reviews, their longevity, how many times a business changes names is important. Just make sure you check them out. Go on to Google, check out their reviews. Anybody nowadays knows the reviews. Everybody's talking online. See what people are saying about them. Take their advice from it. Definitely do your homework. There are good and bad companies out there. Just make sure that you go with somebody that's got a great reputation.
Yeah, and Everdry has some fantastic accolades from the Better Business Bureau.
We do. We've won a Torch Award. We've been nominated several times for it. And, you know, we've been doing this 28 years, and you don't go 28 years if you're doing poor workmanship.
That's right.
We actually plug the unit in. It sends a report. It takes a sample of the air that you're breathing, sends it off to a lab. Within 30 minutes, we get a result back, and it tells you what's in the air. Anything heavier than air, air does not have a scent. So if you smell something in the air, it's dirty air. This will tell you about your carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, humidity levels. It'll tell you everything that's in the air and what suggested remedies will take care of it, and we help you with all of that as well.
Yeah, there's another system. You do so many wonderful things. Multi-step. Tell me a little bit about that.
That is our system that entails doing work on the outside to redirect the water away from the walls to alleviate hydrostatic pressure. And then it also has a system on the inside that stops water table from getting to floor level. It will address your air quality with our Easy Breathe ventilation system. Again, 2 ways to get rid of mold and moisture is get rid of the moisture, the water, and get rid of poor ventilation. So if you create a ventilation, which we do with the Easy Breathe, it'll take care of all of that for you.
Yeah, and right now Everdry Waterproofing is offering a special to our 8 West viewers.
Yes, what we're doing is 15% off our multi-step, up to $800, and we have a giveaway at the show. We're giving away a $400 Yeti cooler. Come see us at the show.
Thank you so much, Rob. We appreciate it. And don't go away. We'll be right back.